Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing an unboxing video with you guys. So this idea that I had for this video is kind of a look for less. This is not a dupe. I just have been eyeing the YSL Icare Maxi shopping bag in the quilted lambskin for quite some time. I thought it was such a pretty bag. I love the silhouette. I wasn't a huge fan of how large the YSL logo was and that it was in the color gold. I feel like if it had been the YSL logo with a black on black metal, I think I would have maybe been a little bit more inclined to go for that. But I wanted something a little bit more subtle, and I also wanted a much lower price point because I just really didn't know how much I would use a bag this size. So I went on the hunt to find something that was affordable but would give me that satisfaction for that look I was going for. And who's to say in the future I won't pick that up, but for now I feel like this is just such a good buy. And let me go ahead and show you what it is. So this is the Vince Camuto. Oh, it is nice. Okay. This is the Vince Camuto Kisho Tote. And it's in this quilted chevron stitched construction. It is soft leather, which I'm surprised it's leather because of the price tag. So this bag, I picked it up from Nordstrom. This is $228. $4,900 or $228. I'm going to go with this one. So now don't get me wrong. You get what you pay for. I love a good luxury bag. And like I said, in the future, I may pick that YSL bag up. It is stunning. But for now, I'm going to see how much I actually use it before I take a plunge like that. And I just thought this was such a good bag. So it comes in this black color. It also has a cream color for spring, summer, and I am very tempted to pick that one up as well. Two really pretty plush bags for under $500. I think that's a deal right there. So this bag is really nice, really soft. I don't know why I'm so surprised. I guess I just didn't think it would be this good for that price, to be quite honest. It is nice. It is really soft. It's super plush. It feels like really nice construction. Let's go ahead and see what the inside of this bag looks like. So here we go. It has this really nice snap closure. It has this really nice, ooh, that's heavy duty, very nice. That's beautiful. Okay, let's unhook this. It's gonna allow you to make your bag more look like a tote, less structured. And then it has this beautiful dust bag, comes with the bag. Very nice. And then it has, oh wow, it has a ton of stuffing. I mean, it is a huge bag, so I guess that makes sense. All right, so inside it's like a linen lining and has these two pockets. Nice. And then over here, oh wow, this is nice. Look at this. So this has a giant zip pocket, but then this is a really soft, looks like a cell phone pocket. Definitely would fit my Apple cell phone. That's nice. It's really soft. I wonder if that feels like leather. That is nice. So you can tell the construction of this bag was really thought out for the consumer. So this is very useful. I always love when a bag makes sense. It's got all the things that we need, a cell phone holder, it's got a zip pocket, it's got some little pouches, so your stuff's not just rolling around in your bag. I find this really beautiful. Like I said, I think I'm going to pick it up in the cream as well for spring and summer. That is really, really nice. So it is a 15 inches wide, 15 inches high, and it has, it's 4 inches across. This is really pretty. So it has the flat leather handles. That's really going to be comfortable on your shoulders. They're very soft. They are not hard at all. I think these are going to be really nice. It is just really nice. So it has the magnetic closure at the top, like I said, and then again, you can construct your bag into a much more structured look by using this little chain, and you can close it up and make it smaller, or that beautiful tote bag look. I am really pleased with this purchase. I don't know why I'm so surprised at how much I love it. I think I thought, well, for that price, it's not going to be all that great, but it really is. It's really good. I really like this. I'm excited. All right, so next I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like on, so you can see some mod shots. Okay, so for reference, I am 5'10", and this is the look cinched in. So I went ahead and cinched the metal clasp inside to make it this beautiful shape. It's super comfortable on the shoulder. It's so soft. It's really nice to just relax your arm on your bag. It is very comfortable, very soft. That's what it looks like from this side. It does have a nice underarm drop so that you can wear a sweater or a jacket easily. So let's go ahead and see what this is going to look like if I uncinch the interior chain and turn it into that oversized plush tote look that I absolutely love. So go ahead and cinch the magnetic closure again, and shape it. So that's what it looks like when it's not cinched. And of course, it's been in that cinched position for quite some time, so it probably is going to take a little bit of time before it keeps that shape, if that's the shape you're going for. Otherwise, if you prefer the cinched in look, then obviously that's doable as well. So then on the shoulder, again, super comfortable. It's really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and look for less. If you did, please go ahead and like this video, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel so that I can see you in my next video. Until then, bye.